All right, everyone. How's everybody doing? Let me know if you guys can hear me in 20. Yeah, I'm just looking at the chat box and making sure you guys can hear me and see me well. Uh, awesome. You guys can see my camera as well? Yeah, I started with the chat box like saying hi to haters, but now it's actually time to move on. It is lagging, isn't it? Okay, I think I'm gonna have to stop the streaming for a bit and try to fix it. Hold on. Now let me know. It shouldn't be laggy, to be honest with you. Okay, I think I know what it is. Let me know if you guys can see me and hear me now. um, Yeah, cool. Okay, everything's good now. I'm sorry about that technical issue. I was actually exporting a video right now in 4K, so I think the camera and the video card actually got stuck and everything. So not right now, everything's good. I know you guys can see me and hear me well. So that's actually awesome. Welcome to this training, which is in regards to IQ option. Let me know where you guys are saying hi from. Yeah, let me know where you guys are saying hi from so that I can know where you are located. And we can start with this training. We're going to cover a couple of powerful points that mostly you don't find everywhere online in regards to IQ option. We're going to try, if you're a beginner in regards to binary options or a beginner in regards to IQ option, you're going to know everything from scratch as to whether it's a trusted broker or not, and how to use it, how to use the best settings, how to use these broker. Ecuador, okay, India, South Africa, UK, Kenya, the Caribbean, South Africa, Serbia. Perfect. Perfect. How's everybody doing? I'm pretty sure we're gonna have some audience, a little bit more audience later on today. This training is more dedicated for beginners, so pretty much we're not gonna have that many people actually here, but we're still good to go. So let's go ahead and dive into the actual trading. I appreciate that you guys are giving like to this video. So let's begin how to use IQ option in 2020. First, what is it that we're going to cover in this specific training? We're going to cover what is IQ option, because that's actually pretty important, right? Like, we're going to understand exactly what it is, what is it that we're talking about, and more importantly, how to use it. We're going to know whether if it's regulated or not. We're going to talk about their license. We're gonna talk about how does it work, like how to use it, how do I set it up, right? We're gonna know what's the minimum deposit, minimum trade amount, and if they do have a demo account or not. What are the best settings for IQ option? I'm gonna teach you the settings I use and the ones that I recommend you the most so that you can use as well. And finally, we're going to answer the question, is IQ option trusted for 2020? Yes or no? So yeah, this is going to be a very powerful training. So I do appreciate if you guys hit the like button as soon as you join right now, this live streaming or the replay that you guys are watching right now. Of course, at the end of this video, of the last live streaming, we're going to have some Q&A so that we can answer the most common questions and questions that you guys will be getting while this training is actually going through. So let's go ahead and begin. The first thing that you guys need to know is who am I, right? Because if you don't know who I am, then why would you trust me? Why would you listen to me, right? So this is me in the picture, and my name is Christian AP, and AP stands for my last names, which since I'm Latin, it's hard to tell. I'm a 29-year-old entrepreneur. I'm a full-time day trader, and I'm a YouTuber and online influencer. That's why you guys are watching this on YouTube. The only platforms I actually use is YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, but mostly it's YouTube. I try to upload content every single day, at least 1 or 2 videos a day. Trying to give you guys training, trying to give you guys tutorials, trying to give you guys tips and strategies, and try to give you guys motivation. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you smash the like button. Right now, today we're actually going to hit 21,000 subscribers, so that's actually really cool. But our target for this year is actually 50,000 subscribers, right? So let's go ahead and see. I got a question over here in the chat box that says, why are your Trustpilot reviews are bad? Well, if you go to Trustpilot, and the only product that I actually have in Trustpilot is actually for the BLW Trading Academy, and like 90% or 95% of the reviews are actually good, and the ones that are bad are from people that actually created several accounts and give bad reviews inside of the product. And if you notice, the reviews on the products are the bad reviews are not really based on anything, but mostly hate, because they don't like me. They say that I charged too much for a training, which was $25. Now the training is free, and I don't even remember what are the bad reviews, but try to look them objectively and see if they are legit bad reviews. Like saying, hey, Chris stole money from me, Chris managed my account and blew it, or something like that. No, they have nothing bad to say about me, because I mean, I haven't done anything bad or wrong during the 5 years that I've been an influencer. So I don't care. To be honest with you, I stopped using Trustpilot. That's the reason why, because they allowed any type of bad review, whether they use the products or not. People that actually left the bad reviews were not even students of the academy. So they're haters. That's basically bottom line, right? Carlos says, why is there still people who dislikes Chris tutorials? Haters. That's what they are, haters, because they give the dislikes even before the trading starts. But it's all right. Let's just leave them alone. Academy is amazing. Thank you, Imran. Is there a chance for fall for binary options market in the future? There's always a risk. There's always a risk. Is 2-minute strategy BLW not a lagging strategy? I'm not sure what you mean, but lagging. If you mean it's not consistent, it is consistent actually. Stop blaming people. We got different point of views. It's a must to see. I think he's one of the dislikers. I don't know what you mean, man. But no worries. Let's go ahead and move on with the training, because we are here to learn, not to discuss whether you guys like me or not. If you guys don't like me, then I don't know what you're here. But yeah. But yeah, haters are going to hate. This is going to happen all the time. Don't you get any threats from binary options companies? You're causing a rate loss. Yeah. In fact, I got threat from I received an email. This is an anonymous email. I don't know if it was or not, but someone apparently from Skrill emailed me like saying that I had to remove the bad review. I don't know what the problem is. But yeah, I do receive some what they call some threats. Yeah, we can call it threats from binary options companies, but in the end they end up begging for me to actually not blacklist them. But yeah, I do have issues like that, but don't worry, I can handle them. Okay, let's go ahead and dive into the training. Like, what is my passion, right? So that you guys end up getting to know me, to help you make money online. That's basically my passion. That's my passion. to help you make money online. That's bottom line. And in this channel, what I do is I do a lot of software reviews, which I don't do them that much, if you notice. Do broker reviews, that I do a little bit more. And what I always try to do and keep it consistent is give you tips and strategies to make money online. Okay, now where is it that you can find me? Because there's many people out there like saying they're me, and like they are scammers, like using my name. So these are my only official websites. BLW Signals Group, which is the brand new Signals group that I created based on the previous Facebook Signals group, is insanely successful. Even in this December where the markets are volatile, people are making money. This is my main official website nowadays. The other one is the BLW Training Academy. This is 100% free. You can take it. In case you haven't taken it and you're a beginner, take the BLW Training Academy. It's 100% free. People can confirm it in this specific live chat and tell you whether I charge you something or not. Because I don't. I don't charge anything for this training, and it's 100% free. The third website is the 2minutestrategyapp.com. This is an application that I created based on the very successful strategy for binary options called the 2-minute strategy. And basically it simplifies the job. But if you can trade manually, you don't really need this application. This is only if you need it and if you want to receive alerts. You can go to that website. And the other two websites that I handle is the binarylivingway.com and cryptobinarylivingway.com. Those two websites don't really have that much recent content because I haven't had the time. I'm planning to add more educational material, written material based on my trainings so that you guys can have the written version. Sometimes even my English might not be that good. You might not understand me. So I'm going to have written versions of those trainings. So these are my 5 websites. Okay, so now let's begin with the training. What is IQ option? It's very, very simple. It is a binary options slash Forex slash CFD slash crypto broker. Okay, it includes everything. Now I want to point out something in here. Binary options might not be available in your location, and the reason why is because if binary options are not available in your location, then IQ option does not offer you the binary options feature. Does that make sense? So basically, if for example you're in the UK, you're somewhere where binary options are not allowed, then you will only see digital, Forex, CFD, and crypto trading. Okay, that is the reason why you're not going to see binary options on your broker. And sometimes even in your phone application, you can see it on your computer, but you don't see it on your phone. So they do have certain restrictions as to where to offer binary options. I just want to point that out because this is a very, very common question, and I know you might have it at the end or in the middle of this training. Okay, it's also one of the oldest brokers in the industry. I've been using this broker since 2015. 2016 is when I started using this broker. I used to use different brokers. 2016, ever since I started using this broker, and it's one of the oldest and still remains as a very, very, very crowded broker. Now, the broker also has a web-based, which means you can use it in Google Chrome on your computer or whatever you want, and also a mobile application for Android. You can download it for iOS, but it's not going to be available in your Apple store. You need to talk to their support team. They're going to send you a direct link where you can download the application for your iPhone or your tablet, your iPad. But you're not going to find it on your Apple store, but you will find it on your Google Play Store for Android. Okay, perfect. And this is the broker with most users in the world. Yes, this is the broker with most users in the world. There's got to be a reason for it, and the reason is one of the, if not the best broker for binary options in the world. Now, I want to point out this because here comes the question, right? If it's the best binary options broker, but doesn't allow binary options in certain countries, how come it's still the best? The truth is that some people use Forex and CFD. My personal recommendation, and this is just me, if you trade Forex or CFD, you can use a different broker that has MT4 or MT5. Why? It's more accurate, it's better, it's easier, and it has better payouts. With IQ option, the payout, it's a little bit lower. And the fact that you're trading Forex inside of the platform doesn't really make it that accurate when it comes to price actions, okay? So that's only my recommendation. If you use it, that's fine. I'm not saying it's bad, it's just what I would do. But if you have binary options, this is the best broker. Let me go through the questions real quick. 2-minute strategy, sometimes lagging. Okay. No joke. I think you need to watch the trainings for the 2-minute strategy. What is the difference between digital options and binary options? I haven't used digital options. The reason why is because I've seen only IQ option has it. So if it's not an industry overall that all the brokers have it, I don't go into it. Why? Because it's just another feature of the same broker. I don't trust that kind of thing. I hope you understand, okay? I don't want to get into details because I don't want you to think that IQ option is not good. I'm just saying, I don't know how to use it. I prefer not to recommend you anything in regards to it. There's too much money in binary options, so I don't really need to move into digital, okay? I have another question from Baruch. Bro, I can't use IQ at all in Houston, but I use close option. Is it good? Yeah, it's good too. Close option is good. For 5-minute strategy, if there is 2-minute purchase time left, should I wait for the next candle? If it touches the prices, and I'm just going to answer this, but that's going to be the only answer in regards to the 2-minute strategy in this training. If it touches the price, again, the beginning of the candle, then you can enter for the last 2 minutes. I hope that makes sense. I'm going to have a different training for the 2-minute strategy though, but I hope this really makes sense. Okay, let's moving on. Is IQ option regulated? Is IQ option regulated? Yes, IQ option is regulated by CySEC. What is CySEC? It's the Cyprus Security Exchange Commission. What that is like if you guys know the Security Exchange Commission for the US that monitors and audits the stock market movements to keep it all, you know what I mean, what's it called? To keep it secure, okay? To keep it regulated and that everything is correct. CySEC is the same thing for Cyprus and for binary options. So IQ option, it is regulated by CySEC, so we're good there. And it is authorized to provide financial services to clients from the European Economic Area, EEA, under the CIF license number 247/14. So yes, IQ option is fully regulated, okay? Does that make sense to you all? I hope it is making sense. Make sure you smash the like button if you're just joining in and this live streaming, or if you're watching this on the replay, make sure you smash the like button. Okay, now how does it work? In order to know how does it work, we need to go to the charts, right? And let me see if we got more questions in here. What about pocket option? That is a different training. I might have another training just like that one in the future, but right now we're just focused on IQ option. Right now I'm actually deleting all of my stuff from here. Do IQ option pay out well and on time? Yes, they do. They do. Why someone account blocked? You need to ask them directly, but most of the times is because of what is it called? Suspicious movement in the account. Either using their software or suspicious movement. They know what they're doing. Don't trust me. Yeah, they provide signals for all the strategies, even the 2-minute strategy. Thank you, Jim, for the like. Does the BLW Signals Group have a free trial? Not anymore. We've been free for over 4 years now, so no. Okay, so what we're gonna do right now is that we're gonna see how it works. The first thing that you gotta do is this. You're gonna have a practice account, okay? If you don't have the practice account, and let me blow my account Let me put the $9,000 into, I don't know. Let's put a call. I just want to lose all of my money in one trade, because I want to show you how you can fund your account with your practice account really easily. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna see Forex, binary, and we're gonna try to see other options over here in an IQ option. Oh, don't tell me I'm gonna win this one. Okay, doesn't matter. Take a look at this. This is the real account. This is the practice account. If you want to deposit, you click on deposit, and you can fill up right here, fill up to $10,000. And once you click on it, it will give you all the way to $10,000, right? Pretty simple. With this practice account, you can start practicing using the software, using the strategies that I have taught you, trying to give you, it will try to, you can get the experience you need in order first so that you can start trading with real money, right? So how does this strategy work? Pretty simple. Here, you can choose how many windows you want to have for how many pairs. You can choose 2 and have 2 pairs at the same time. You can choose like this. I prefer this one actually. Or you can even get 4, 3. This is my favorite though, 4. I get to see the 4 pairs that I'm going to be like monitoring for the my 2-minute strategy, for example, for 5 minutes. This is what I'm monitoring right here, but you can use whatever you want. This is how it's going to be. Pretty simple, huh? And then you can select what new pair you want to add in here. You click in here. And if you notice, I have binary and I have digital, I have Forex, I have stocks, I have crypto, I have commodities and ETFs. Now this though, this is what I focus on. Right now I'm going to focus on binary, then I'm going to focus on Forex. So here you can see what pairs we have available. Now here is the payout, and this payout, this is for turbo trades, and this is for 5 minutes or more over here. Okay, see 86%, 89. You can see what is the payout in this area. If you notice that this is like this, that doesn't have anything, it means that the pair is actually closed for either turbo or longer trades. Let me see if I find something close. For example, these stocks, Apple, McDonald's, Microsoft, they don't have turbo trades. I hope that really makes sense. So yeah, this is where you choose the pair. I'm gonna stick to Euro USD because that's the most common one to use, and then we're gonna move on to this area. If you want to add an extra window just like these ones, you click on this plus button and it's gonna display this same thing. You can save it as favorite. You can create alerts on different levels. I'm gonna teach you how to do that as well. Here's where you verify your account. That doesn't really matter. Here's your balance. Here you can change to real account or to practice account. Right now we're gonna stick to practice account. And here in the time is where you set the expiry time. For example, you can set it for 1 minute. Here in this corner, in the below corner where I have the mouse, you can see the current time. So it's 9:26 my local time in the seconds. So I can select any of these expiry times based on my local times, okay? And here you can set it for 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, whatever you want. Okay, pretty simple, huh? Let's say that I want to trade for 32. Okay, let's assume that there is something here. And you know what? Before I actually continue with this, let me set up like what is it that I do it. Before I place any trade. So this is where you actually select the time. Here you can select the actual amount of your trade. I suggest you to go with at least 5%, from 2 to 5% of your balance in December. And if you're gonna be trading in January when the markets are more stable, then 5 to 10% of your balance is actually cool. Here you can see the payout, and once you're ready, and let me just put $1 as a $100 as a demonstration, you can actually click in here, boom, and this is a put. or you can click in higher and it's going to be a call and it's going to be expiry time at 9:32 as we set it up. If you notice right here, the trade appears as open, 3 minutes left, and we're good to go. I set up an alert here. You can just delete it because I don't want to edit. Perfect, huh? Any questions around this specific area? Here, you can just use the scroll of your mouse in order to actually see more time of the actual window. You can see up to 30 days of movement of the market. Hold on. There you go. 30 days of movement is right here. If you notice, there's a support line that I have in this area. So yeah, this is how you do it. If you're just enjoying this training, make sure you smash the like button. I'm pretty sure you guys will get a lot of value out of this training. So yeah, if you want to see faster markets or charts, you can set it up for 2 minutes. Look at the movements. I rather recommend you to go with 15 minutes or even 5 minutes at the most. I don't know if we're going to win this one. It doesn't really matter. We didn't apply any type of strategy or anything. We're just doing a demonstration. Okay. Okay, let's go to this side so that you guys can understand how it works. Total portfolio means how many trades you have opened. And these are the trades that I have opened right here. You can go and see binary options, digital, Forex, stocks, whatever positions you want to check. You guys can go to the training history on here. This is my practice account. And here's where I practice all my strategies, trying to see whether they need more expiry, whether the pairs, like all this stuff, right? Here you can see your expiry trades, trading history. Then chats and support is the support team. Leaderboard is which person is actually making the most money. Take a look at this person is making $110,000 in his balance, in profits. And there we have a lot of people making this money. I don't know if this is actually true though. I don't know. But I don't know. Let me know if someone from here is actually in this competition. Let me know. Maybe you guys are making a lot of money just like this one. $14,000. And then we can continue scrolling down. Okay. Market analysis and video tutorials. We're not going to even look into it because we prefer to trust our admins or our personal knowledge instead of trusting anyone else. So here, like I said, is the time, and that's pretty much it in regards to the platform, right? Pretty easy to use, huh? So now let's go back to the training. Let me see if we get some questions here before I move on. Forex, yeah. What about expert option? Expert option is a good broker. I will have a different training just like this one, but with expert option. How can I stop from blowing my account? You gotta get education. Take my academy. Let me see. Should we deposit with Visa on IQ option? Because I saw that we can withdraw only amount that we deposited and no longer than 90 days from the time we deposit. Yeah, the thing is that with IQ option, when you deposit, let's say $300 with Visa card, then that's the most amount you can withdraw. So you will need to use a different method, such as bank wire, such as Bitcoin or Skrill Neteller. I don't recommend Skrill, but you can get into Bitcoin or bank wire directly. I'd rather go with bank wire so that you don't lose that much money, but in some countries it's not allowed. So that's why I recommend you to go with training. Please, it says something. Leaderboard based on winning trades only, not a true reflection. Doesn't count losses. Thank you for that input, brother. I appreciate it. Now we all understand that part. Oh, we have more dislikes. We have more haters coming in. Michael, yes, like I said, I'm going to cover the part of Forex in just a little bit, but be patient. What is the perfect time to start trading? This is a general question, so rephrase it because I don't want to confuse people. Okay, to help Michael in order to Forex, let's change it to Forex. So what we're going to do right now is that we're going to go in here and we're going to go to Forex and we're going to choose Euro USD. So if you go to Euro to Forex, it's the same process. Over here, you choose the amount. Let's put $100. The multiplier, basically it's right here. Multiplier is that the asset price changes by 1%, your position's performance will increase by 200%. I don't really understand how to use this. So what I do is that I go to auto clause with 80%. I would even go to 100%. Let's leave it at 60%, and loss, let's leave it at 25%. There you go. So once it reaches these points, it will stop automatically. Let's go ahead and go with a sell of $100. Did I enter? I clicked on it. Perfect. There you go. So if you notice, this is going to be a sell option. Yes. And an error occurred, it says. Okay. Let's go to portfolio and see the actual trade. So the trade started at 1.111. Where is it? 1 around this area. There you go. 111. Okay. And this is a sell option. It's got an auto close at 60%. So when it drops enough to be 60% in the money, it will stop. And when it reaches this point, right here, 25%, 11253, it will close as a stop loss. And this is why I don't really like IQ option when it comes to Forex. The amount of pips that you need to reach in order to make profit is insane. It's too high. It's too much. That's the reason why I don't. But that's all you need to do. You set up how much you want to, even you can put it in money. Like I invested $100 and I want to make, let's say $80 in profit. And I want to lose only $35. Okay. So I entered the put, and it's the same exact thing, but this time is going to be in dollars. Okay. Now you might not even see the stop loss and the take profit touch at any point. So you guys have to be alert and close it manually anytime you guys want. Like close it all in here and you can make some profits. Okay. But that's the reason why I don't really like Forex when it comes to IQ option. I hope that really makes sense and that you guys are understanding. So if you guys are joining in and or you watching this on the replay, make sure you smash the like button. We got more haters coming in. Most likely they are the ones that can't afford to pay the group and they're just like mad at me or something. Let me see. What is the perfect time? Okay, that was how much is your trading course? It's 100% free. BLWTradingAcademy.com. It's 100% free. Take it. Can I use this platform to follow in BLW signals groups? Yes, you can. Henry says it's free as far as I know. Yeah, it's free. Okay, moving on. We're going to continue with the training. I don't want to take the entire morning with you guys. Now, moving along, it's what's the minimum deposit with IQ option? The minimum deposit with IQ option, it's $10. That's the minimum, okay? They do give you $10,000 free demo account, and the minimum for trade is $1, okay? Simple as that. What are the best settings? I'm going to teach you the settings that I use in IQ option personally so that you guys understand what is it that I look at when I'm trading. I'm going to switch again to binary options. And the first thing I do is change the chart type and take it to candles. Why? Because it's easier to measure the support and resistance levels, for example. And then you guys can change the candles to either 5 to whatever minutes you guys want. The default that I use and the one that I use the most is 15 minutes. And I'm going to teach you guys right now why. And then the first thing that I recommend you to do is get an horizontal line. This one, horizontal line, is going to be drawn for the entire graphic. If you put it right here, for example, this is a cool support line. And in fact, I'm going to enter right now with $1,000. Let me enter for $2,000 for a call. And I'm going to enter for 945. Why? Because if you notice, the candle is touching a support line. I'm going to explain that just a little bit right now. But this is the first thing I do. I open the chart, I set it up for candlesticks, and then I go in graphic tools and draw horizontal lines right here, for example, in 15 minutes. Why? I'm looking at some support lines, support and resistance lines in here, right? Let's see. Here's a good point. And then once I actually have drawn them, I go and move on to 4 hours. Why 4 hours? I want to make sure though that support line is being respected. If you notice right here, it's a little bit higher, lower than I put it in. And then I look for another support line that is good in here, such as this one. I would even say it's here. And then, as you know, as you notice, this is a good support and resistance, two good support and resistance levels. I can even draw a third one because I did see the option here. I would say it's right here. Boom. This is another good resistance line. And then once I actually check that out, I can move on and see 1 hour candles and see whether those supports are being respected. And if you notice, yes, they are. This is being respected. It broke once, but it went back. And this one is being respected as well. This one maybe not that much, to be honest. So I would change it and find the best one. So once you actually leave these horizontal lines in here, what's going to happen though is whatever you go, you're going to see them. Take a look. You see the same support and resistance line. I even have this one right at the bottom that I never deleted. Why is that going to help you? Because if by any chance you decide to close the window right now and open it tomorrow to continue with your training, you're going to have the lines already. And the truth is that even though, for example, if you draw it like around this day, it still appears as of today as a support line. You see, it's crazy, right? It's actually really cool. In fact, you know what? This I might have entered too high. I entered too high. It's not on my enter too high. This one is a cool opportunity to trade even right now that you're watching this live. Once it touches this line around what? 1.11100 is a good call option for the next 15 minutes. So this is exactly how I set it up. These are the best settings for IQ option that I personally use. They have worked all the time and they're going to continue working forever and ever. Why? Because I know for a fact that these support and resistance lines will be respected in the future, and they have been respected in the past. So let me know if you guys, if that makes sense to you, so that you guys understand now, and you guys can still practice, start practicing right now. If you haven't taken my academy, go and take my academy, 100% free, blwtradingacademy.com. And then you can start practicing on demo using IQ option after this training. Now, is trusted for 2020? Absolutely freaking yes. IQ option is trusted for 2020, and it will continue to be trusted for more years to come. So now let's go ahead and jump into Q&A. Let's see what questions you guys have in regards to this training so that we can cover them up and wrap up this training session. Daniel Boy says, how much are the BLW trading signals and how many confirmed signals do you get in a week for Forex and options? The signals group right now, tomorrow is actually the last day with 10% off, but the regular price is $29.99 a month or 238.88 cents per year. And we have over 450 signals a month. The reason why is because we have 6 admins providing at least 20 signals per week. So that means $120 signals per week times 4. That's 480 signals in average per month. Do you have a tutorial on support lines? Yes, I do have a training on support and resistance. You can find it on my YouTube channel. I just registered with the BLW Trading Academy. Awesome. I hope you enjoy it. 2-minute strategy, sometimes lag in, sometimes, okay, no joke. again, you asking the same question. I don't know if you're spamming, if you're not just paying attention to what when I'm answering you, but go to my 2-minute strategy trainings. You're inspiring. Thank you. I appreciate that. And I know you're gonna be a better trader after the training. So let's see if we have some questions. If not, we can wrap it up and finish with this training, which has been pretty cool. And by the way, if you guys want to open an account with IQ Option, I'm going to have the link below in the description of this video. Yes, it is an affiliate link for those haters who are going to be like, hey, Christians, you're selling IQ Option. I'm not selling anything. If you're already using it, I'm helping you so that you can continue using it better. But yeah, it's an affiliate link. I get like 3% commission or something like that when you deposit. In case you guys didn't know. In fact, I already have a video as to how to use IQ Option affiliate program. You can find it on YouTube and make money out of IQ Option as well. So let's see if we have questions. If not, it's been like 45 minutes, so it will be time for us to wrap it up. If you're still enjoying this training, make sure you smash the like button. Smash the like button. We're gonna get to 100, 200 likes, whatever. We have to defeat the haters. 5 dislikes I have so far from haters. So let's defeat them. That way they're gonna just go away. They always go away at the end of the day. The 5-minute strategy is just crazy. The brokers are gonna be broke soon. I know. The 5 minutes, the 5-minute strategy is becoming the best one for 2020. Be ready. I'm gonna have more trainings about it, more live sessions about it, and I'm also gonna create an application about it, a trading room in regards to it. There's a bunch of things going on right now. Hey Chris, does IQ Option does price manipulation in turbo trading? Hard to tell. Honestly, because I'm not there. The risk is always there, okay? It's something that I always tell you during my academy. It's like you have to be, what's it called? You gotta know that this industry is risky, not only because of the price action, but because of stupid movements from different brokers. I'm not saying IQ Option does it, but the risk is there. I'm not sure. If you see, that's one thing though. If you see that, for example, in TradingView, the price closes at the right price, you win the trade according to TradingView, and in IQ Option, you lose it because the price went in the opposite direction, you can take a screenshot of both of the platforms and send it to support, and they will give you the trade as a winning trade. They always do. I've done it in the past where I saw that the price Skyped, and then at the last second, for one or other reason, an IQ Option just dropped and TradingView didn't. Like, it was clearly a manipulation of my trade. I sent the screenshots and they gave me my money back. So you can do that as well. Raksham says binary options is a scam. So what are you doing here, brother? Give your dislikes, give you a dislike and get lost. I'm signing with you. This is one of the people who think that because they can't do something is a scam. So many people making thousands of dollars a daily basis in binary options, even in the group, you know. But yeah, here comes another hater. Welcome to the club. Hey Chris, is IQ Option? Okay, that question. Chris, the multiplier in Forex, should I put it in the most high level? I don't really use that much on the multiplier, but I do recommend you to actually better just focus on the take profit and stop loss level. That's what I'm saying. You know, I just got one in the money on your suggested support level. True. Awesome. I'm glad you did. In fact, the person that I just muted just gave a dislike. Raksham, get it lost, brother. Yeah, go in and yeah, the support is actually really cool. I'm glad you actually took advantage of it. Do you win any tournaments? No, I don't participate in any tournaments. Please, more training on the 5-minute strategy. Will do, Michael, will do. I tried to download the ebook on BLW Trading Academy, but it's not downloadable. It is downloadable, but for some reason it cannot open with PDF. I'm not sure what's that. I'm going to try to fix it. I'm sorry about that. I haven't really had the time to actually pay attention to the academy that much, but please be patient. I'm going to try to fix the BLW ebook. I promise you, okay? Thanks for the tip, Chris. You're an awesome and best. Awesome. Thank you. Haters can scream. Yeah, haters gonna hate. I am being asked to join private BLW group. Awesome. Can you explain the multiplier? Like I said, I don't know how to use the multiplier. That's the point. That's why I didn't explain it. I'm sorry, Dave. If you guys want to give dislikes because I don't know how to use it, it's all right. But I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not gonna give you a fake tutorial. Okay, I'm not gonna give it to you. Oh, and by the way, take a look. The trade on the support line that I said. You notice it was a win. So it's actually really cool. So yes, we're gonna start with the training right here because I know you guys got a lot of value. And go out there, start practicing right now in demo and IQ option. Remember that is 100% free. Take my academy, please. Take my academy before you do anything because I want to make sure that you are actually safe. So take my academy. I know it's gonna take probably a couple or a few days, but it's gonna be totally worth it. I promise you. Okay, blwtradingacademy.com. And if you want to follow the signals of the signals group, go to blwsignalsgroup.com. About to buy the 2-minute strategy app. How is it doing now in December? It's doing good in 5 minutes, but if you can just invest small or start in January, don't worry. Go ahead and do it. Right now, we're about to hit Christmas, and it's going to get crazier than it's been during the last few weeks. Next week is going to be crazy, okay? Is there KYC verification for your group? No, not at all. Not at all. We're not a broker, okay? So thank you very much for being in this live streaming. I appreciate that you guys were here. I hope you guys enjoyed this training. If you did, make sure you smash the like button. It supports the channel a lot. Make sure you share this video with your friends and family members or on your social media so that you can share the knowledge that this people is actually giving you. And I'm 100% sure they will appreciate it. They will be happy because they're learning something new. So be of help. Help others. That's the rule number one in order to be successful in life. So I hope you guys can share this training. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to smash the like button and I'll see you on the next training. Cheers.